tuteta kwa word millionaire onge onkobo tu millionaire tokuria so itakuwa sherehe kubwa sana kidha within Isiolo tokelezea enda hapo Safaricom shop rojo nkobo main stage tupatane hapo tupige sherehe bone millionaire wenu one kitu si adidi si prokopanda
something nivoeka sana idroka ni matujege millionaire owachindete million ni mbia kwithiti kenda atwika millionaire ki Safaricom.
There is nothing special. Shangwa 25 twaire kukinyela each person kidha te category users kana customer ba kawaida ukaidha website biashara kana enterprise so it are inclusive all you have to do is kutuma mbecha kutumira mpesa you send money kugura bundles na star 544# kana kugura tunukiwa voice star 444# like ukagura minutes cha kuringa thimo instead of oringa na credit utheri you can also redeem bonga points you isaidia the person or you uwe wena kalaini tuka kuka Safaricom alafu tuina another category enterprise enterprise ni antubaraba tumaira Safaricom for businesses like kora tumaira buy goods kana pochi la biashara kana baraba ina baba tumaira home fiber kana wifi ya Safaricom nyauba ina categories ucho the amount of money they receive but iraba ko receive KT ucho either by goods kana pochi la biashara they stand a chance but ikiongeleka points and they throw the more the points igogo chinda.
Wow.
Na besides that bado itokuaja na like bia daily better maybe from 100 shillings to 10,000 to random people wenye points zao ziko juu kana data bundles.
Akenda bukia mwa UKUNGUIRA shangwe at 25 na customers benu kana atumiri ba Safaricom kwina gintu kira membi bwa karire nthi kana Safaricom shareholders kana stakeholders ba karire nthi barwona for these 25 years kwina mantera tumbete kwithira atwikinyanire kunende itubati kumba kwithira twichoka back to the community na kwithira twikungwire miaka 25 na botumbike kwa ni bibi mbere kwithira bikibu inspire Safaricom akumba kwithira bukiambirire campaign ya shangwe at 25.
To Safaricom, we are customer obsessed. Like natankuga tumepagawa na nini customers wetu. And another thing, Safaricom is all about transforming lives. Hiyo kwa mission yao. So as a way of transforming lives, we find a way like to kuejake community. At least we give back. In what ways? Shango at 25, we know the millionaire. Besides millionaire kia ko win na kongelo 250,000
chiambi
250,000 tichiawe owana belkidha no chindira millionaire ku that is 1 million but kwena 250 irawe na say about it na the 250 no to ku owe as Annabelle ochale a community project iroko enda bo develop maybe na ko enu skuru enu kwegwe kari like weno kona ne wicho miane kusaidia community but tena power but tena inye wicho kiria in terms of tuenya resources kana infrastructure so no me choose okwa school wenko me choose nyo kwenda 250 ukumira itevia kana nyasi vitare we anything yenye nasaidia the community. Yes.
Ana turedirete ugitania na boku menda babere kwethera bokiambiriria shangwe at 2025 no totura bwakinya ke miaka 25 last year 2025 kuku maanisha nende ete campaign abwambiririe rwari. In fact ye kuthira campaign yo bika ku describe kana bika kuwa ithirite kari atukumara babere kwethera bokimiambiriria.
Shangwe at 25 Brambo bo me describe bomba kuwa it has been a success. Kana commit expectations ira twabangite yani nonto one thing twabangite kukinyila each customer at a personal level maybe some other times wewe unaira Safaricom KTV umeona irake maybe gazeti kana ke posters iwona na uome ichi dachi ambindu kene onyo umeona but twamikire an attempt kuya ground nonto tuweta nakia mathoko bura wote tanakia na markets na maruje different toka interact na customers wetu we bring what we had brought ama what we had planned tebu tukabaritana and we get to hear from them toka menya babu as customers wetu ba Safaricom kana tumiri ba Safaricom imbibo experience kana challenges ili kubukona na ground toka collect information na feedback from our customers at least we know where we are going to rectify what we are going to work on kenye tuta improve. Yes, so it has been a success.
Akwe na chinde ba 1 million ba ukomba kwithira ukiariria roughly ibana bethirite bechinda 1 million across the country.
So far tuina 20 winners. Na tunaona bado we are continuing to award more. Yes.
Apart from 1 million akwe na ichi wapingi kwithirite bukeana itonete nyabukeana ng'ombe mburi anga kuwenya chindete riko rya kurua. Apart from this 1 million, ni bingi customers benu bethirite bakibunika bio akumakiri Safaricom.
Besides that, tuna categories. Tuna different categories by the way. Chiabora pia wabio chindwa. So tuna categories inya. Mbere atuanjie na millionaire. We were targeting for award 25 millionaires. Na as I told you, kila millionaire na kuongelwa an extra 250. Not for your own consumption. For project cha community, right? Tuna category inge ya small enterprises ama wale wafanyikazi wadogo. So iba chinda tuk-tuks ku enable mobility kana obate the area we ku move into bio. Alafu tuna the medium and the large enterprises bana wafanyikazi baba ategate na we kiwango keuru baku win 500,000 bado hizo pia zinasaidia kwa community development na tuna bado tuachoka tena ki the small watu iba ku win 250,000 stock. Tuteko na nkira chimbecha iwe according to your business wete tukuongele stock 250,000. Besides that turada kintu kireta wa green box. Turada ngari ka vilonka ka pick up pikipiki lori ukiona green box unakwambia roho ilikuwa inafurahi unajua kintokea itako uno turari. We had a lot of prizes by the way. Turari na magas cooker, microwaves, mattresses, we name everything, hata mbuzi na nguku. Christmas tumetolea watu form, tumewatolea form, credit, like everything. Kirao yani kionde kirao ukona turayana.
Okay. Yes. Ukirere matujenge bie wa kwina yomba kwithire kunguchiria tuktuk. Urara chinda tuktuk arethera gwithitie bi.
Normally tuktuk ngukwira like what you need to do kenda utonya kidro ya guchinda. Tuwa utumire mpesa, ununue matunukiwa, ununue data bundles, tuena Safaricom wifi kana home fiber subscription ire ukuwithia share home like we enjoy internet kuwe mochi hizo zote zinakuweka kwa the draw. Yes, ya kushinda
itumike bapwe akomba kwithira muchindura chinda for example 1 million bwa top up na 250,000 irapokuwa itibati weta ki community project itumike ayo kana bata this 250,000 nili.
Tuwere Safaricom, it's all about transforming lives. And a part of that, shangu at 25 bado, lazima toki incorporate mission yetu bado, to transform lives. So besides like awarding you at a personal level, tuwa kunenkela 250,000 yu, yitakuwa ino at least egatetheria ukiria the community that you're coming from. Yes.
Okay, anibwega sana. Kwina chindi bethirete kinya bechinda bikibiki na yewa mwanya.
Yes.
Muchindio bikibiki. Apart from nende kwithira wene thirite maybe akiura bundles akana kumba kwithira akitumira kilipa na M-Pesa bro twirire ni bibi ngebe batikumba kwithira bichangia mtomba kwithira gichinda no tukwina mtu akwigwatire imburite bundles for a long time lakini unentethira gichinda na kwino ngi maybe kinyamba ati wetu imuwirite aurite bundles lakini akethira gichinda.
Tutakuwa kwena okay tutasema ni bahati tuko hii bahati but one thing we said ukiendelea kutumia Safaricom and its product and M-Pesa and its product try like a points like the person with the highest point owaza Annabelle wina point yana na tuwe mtu ngimo muthikiri wengine uka na ora tutegete na arua aina points 120 so of course turetana them uraina the highest points. Yes.
Itwana Safaricom kaito kwa kaita bukidilun kantere mwanya bukiarire kana bukeya na boda kana buina boda forums kenda utira at least tukembe the one way or the other iba kuba kudira abagiukira mechamani we na kuri want boda guys. Why is it important to you?
It is so important. Safaricom besides like we yon there ya ki transforming lives, but now ukaliliko na in what sectors is Safaricom transforming lives. Ukailia kuna through financial literacy, so antoa boda tuna kintu kito offer ya boda.
Yes.
Hiyo offer ya boda ni area ilia anto baraba na boda. Wewe mwenyewe uko na boda yako na una license yako na wewe hizo documents za kudhibitisha hii pikipiki ni yako na uko biashara. So your offer ya boda ikinto yani ni ya insurance. Ntem ya meta tu insurance but te au cover we ti health insurance kana ti insurance ya bikibiki. Hiyo ni insurance to meta tunza mapato. Tunza mapato ili ensure you are earning like daily earnings ira woko make in a day. To for example kaya kuona accident God forbid na utamanage kutonya ngugine na ndito tunziete like pie mapato yarao komba kwethira ukimiki wengo wine tebu and area in three categories mponto ba uchuria how can we join kana natatomba utonya kitunza mapato tunza mapato with dial star 544 star 8 hash ya kuretera menu
chokera dinge
star 544 star 8 hash wa kuretera option ni tuna categories thatu chetunza mapato twina ikurira na ndi will be paying abura mtu urera health insurance eku na bonya ukurira you insure your earnings tebu twina first category ya daily ya daily were shilingi 50 iwe kwa bundles na minutes na kwa access to Google Maps tuwe na client okwira ambira mulathankari na utoko ina ayore unaingia internet ukarura Google Maps ya wikia over 50 shillings those are the only benefits alafu tuena ya weekly 300 shillings with 300 shillings at least they are a bit upgraded uno kwa bundles besides bundles no kwa insurance atwe for example no cover tuwe uweto kwa mama chivitari no cover for 15 nights no kurira itanda for 15 nights but area ngiri for those 15 nights na bado no ku insure ke outpatient nera uweta chivitari wachoka koko no kurira 1000 per visit in addition to that bado no kwa Google Maps yani weno kwa access to Google Maps ombe kome access niwawe wo gitangu ine chiaku at least utomba kura tuna the third and maybe the highest category ya 1000 per month you are 1000 per month in case of an accident God forbid again ni kwa 30 nights ni kwa 30 nights kitanda that is 1000 per night 1000 per night for 30 nights na ni kwa bado outpatient every visit ngiri in additional to that in case again God forbid you lose your life kana compensate family kwa 100,000 cha ku support ke funeral services
nata kwa karikia ndira nga tonya ki offer ya boda mapato igugutueleza na rironda tonya kuria ndamwa kuria tu per day 50 shillings kana ndamwa kuria per month 300 shillings kana ndamwa per week 300 shillings kana per month ngiri imwe kuria iri arimwe nkona accident nata kwa karikana ni iri arimwe akimde
one thing uria tuwe for example kukiwe weekly ndarira kiumeki kana tu nyawe next week ndanje kurira Monday to Sunday only I am insured for that week tuwe nkurira this month ndanjire this month tariki imwe for this month I am insured for that month so if anything happens ndeki insurance so yes I'll be catered for
ne gitumi buku encourage antu babonda kumba kwithira abakensure their earnings
you don't know your tomorrow. That is one thing. Something might happen. Anytime you injure by bad luck, maybe umeumia na umekuwa like you have been off work for like a week. Na kiumekiuna atendo kaithira parity. Like your main source of earning of income ibikibiki. Na life has to continue.
Yes.
Bado nyao kia accidents. Yeah. Now, besides that, maybe I can add, why is it important, like reaching, like besides your tunza mapato, what else are we offering to the boda people? We go about forums.
Yes.
Yes, it will hold the forums huge. Yeah, boda people. at least utobarita about road safety. Unaona vile accidents zina happen mingi na antoba boda. So at least offer training kana forums which obarita about road safety na bado financial literacy. Financial literacy is something very important kwanza. Like no kuona mbeta batu tukumenya uroba tuchitumira. At least we give you ideas. Like mbeti yo kuona padeno ntochi nyangere, you can invest in different ways. Like toka bakunura KIRI mo, at least mtu omba kuona mbeta inkoona batu uchitumira in what ways.
Yeah. Amoro to Ya Safaricom yotira uturo bantu bukumba kwithira abukichincha enao eke campaign budirete bukibwithine ata campaign yedirete ekiwatanite kiroto utire Safaricom ibakumba kwithira bechinchi uturo.
Safaricom do this campaign itonete to transform lives kana change otora wonde go cure in one way to it in individual and community upliftment. Yeah, 250 at least okay you personally na community. In that 1 million no chinda to okay na besides million to kuongela 250 ote the community eku. Sawa alafu tuena inclusivity. Ndikuirira ture ya ground kenda to interact na customers one on one. So every customer there is included. So bado tunaendelea ku transform lives. Omba tuwe for example to trima na we ground ya kwa lo ino Safaricom. Na sometimes kuchure ira ichura kia like utaona mtu kuure kiure kiu. Wewe tukua ground uko na mtoto ya Safaricom like we come as a big team. No, you get a chance like to interact with people. You get to ask. Na through those promotions turare acho ituromba kuritana antu about like different kana bura Safaricom mbote the community in case wena thina fulani na fulani na ata kuibwa mbote the Safaricom like we have different department at least people got to get educated about them via they got help.
Ankuruki ya kwithira kwina these all campaigns tinya tia shangwe at 25 akitona kuna campaigns nyingi injiriri kuingi abomba kwithira kwitunda kenda utiribu kinyira mwingi na njiremwe ya kuchinchia uturo boyas kwa Safaricom.
Thank you Annabelle. Ende tuwere Safaricom yani tori change uturo bwanto in different ways. Kwina economical brava bubura kia daily to day like we bio bya muromo.
Yes.
Kwina manta mathomo, kwina manta yogi mabamwire. So itokinyila people in those different perspectives. For example, ke mathomo tuina kintu kiwitwa citizens of the future. Citizens of the future, Safaricom netengete 30 billion ya kutransform chukuru kana kukuri infrastructure iskuru tuwe ya kubuild laboratories kuborira equipment cha laboratories ni inya kuiparimu ba ICT bomba kweza baina the required skills iraba kuomba kuretera aritwa. Besides citizens of the future tuwe na kintu kita ndoto zetu. Ndoto zetu ni initiative ira invested 60 million kuma 2019 na we support community projects. Yani tuwenya bora kuro by the raba na ground by na ikundi bio na maybe ikundi kuke na goal ya maybe tukaenja borehole or something but batena enough resources they can submit the application to Safaricom at least or considered as long as it's about supporting the community Safaricom inaweza kuwa involved. Besides that tuina kintu kitawa Safaricom has hook komeanti ba bichuri Safaricom has hook imbi euni watu thera tutagetete the Gen Zs. Sinajua Gen Zs ni kama they are pivots. So tutagetete Gen Zs hook bajeni na star 555 kana star 555 ndino kwa like bundles tu inyacha TikTok no kwa bundles at an affordable rates which will facilitate at least uomba kutonya online kana utonya mtandao na udhibia research like you upgrade yourself like with odhoma na chuo. That's why we do it. Besides month on education tuina month on health no na tukiringa campaign kanyato bwirite tuina yani medical checkup ito hold maternity out kana campaigns which ya medical where we offer cancer screening for free na nyama nto ya medho na you get a chance you get a chance to consult like professional doctors sindio. Besides that tuna kintu kitawa mtiba hiyo ni like the online thing that you get to communicate with a doctor, you get to interact na kuuliza maswali. Tuna medical camps, M-Pesa Foundation ni ensure all in all hizo vitu mnazi access to the community na mainly tutaki marginalized communities barabate wichumba kwa antu batena infrastructure kwa antu batena chibitari yani chumba ku batetheria like rude chibitari yesu watrima mtu kwa batotombo tethuka au kwira wono ayetu i 1212 utena ndawa na tawatethuka so yes we get to reach there in terms of environment tuena into in terms of environment tuena digifarm digifarm ni raithera iki yani ikitakire arimi at personal level interact na arimi abatetheria on ways to improve their farming mantu hiyo on the way na bado Safaricom tuena initiative ya kuanda miti tuanda miti like recently last year December iturare Meru University we planted over 5,000 trees yes as a way to ya kutransform kutransform miti tuanda miti ya matunda tukaona at least we'll have supply yes
okay. Zera shangu 2025 itete kubira imessage ku babu ya Safaricom bwine ne okay your customers natukwira kinyaba kiwatana na babu kugwira miaka 25
message yetu na niyo it's a thank you to our customers nyinyi ni VIP nyinyi ni watu wa maana sana kama si nyinyi our customers totekiomba kwenda tu celebrate miaka 25 totekiomba nyato teki miaka 10 na because boto atanjara kuma twanjeririo mwankaza ito kinya miaka 25 years we say thank you so much Safaricom is going to work towards transforming lives more and more na kuinvolve kila mtu like we include we make sure that we also transform your life so it's a thank you Safaricom every day ito working on ways of improving lives the ways of improving like you at an individual level at least ukadhori improved so thank you na tuendelee kutumira Safaricom tukombele pamoja
okay anibaka sana tukirekia akwena macho kiyara kwithirite buki ona kana buki wata kuma kiri your customers kiri this campaign ya at 20
shangwe at
2025
shangwe at 25
shangwe at 25 kwena macho kiyara kwithirite buki wata I don't know akethira no tuire some of the feedback
shangwe at 25 popote ulipo most of the feedback that tumepata from customers nora customer huwa gwekera credit kia chiringi 20 na kiwita ngotiwa rubia mukaire Safaricom bra mwirondhiria twakurete Safaricom ukuthiria most of the times kwa subscriptions iro subscribe wewe ngwa maybe otoko pay attention kana otoko very keen ukona at some point kwa kintu inyire to respond subscriptions kana wono nankere mwana thimu mwana nachethera thimu na tire ku subscribe maybe to many messages just sports kana promotional messages but chita so that was one thing yenye ilikuwa inasumbua customers na tobaeleza you can unsubscribe yani no chirite chireke kuria credit aje star 100 star 5 hash
star
100 star 5 hash unapitia unaona haya
kile kimetukira kikira
ukoona imbi kura credit na you have a chance to unsubscribe from it yes
thank you atukirekeria Kenyans kana athiati na atumiri ba Safaricom ababati kugira ambi kuma kibabu more campaigns more prizes
tokaya Safaricom we will always come tokaya and we'll come bigger and better na in terms of transforming lives bado tuko hapa na kwa kintu kimanda urirwa kuongera kiurekio mburia ki feedback itonete from customers customers aba inge bado baku about Safaricom being costly in terms of kuringa thimo na how ende na tatumbo the customers about that itwethera tuna kintu kita watu nukiwa tunukiwa minutes ira ura ukomba kuringa thimo for 1 minute with 1 shillings nani ukaringa thimo minute mona thiringi imwe na it is possible through ukaura minutes kana kintu kita watu nukiwa na star 444 hash kana star 44 hash or italera minutes ro kwenda twina as low even as for 10 shillings 20 shillings ende uwe ukauanga ntena angangirie kora ari inyawe na chiringi 10 kana chiringi 20 no wichurira minutes you ukaenda credit yaku kire otheri ati uringa thimo twe for example calling rate Safaricom either for 1 minute like the normal call rate 1 minute you earn for 1 minute is 4.7 shillings so mbira weke the credit ka 20 uringa ndake yana less than 5 minutes sindio but bando uko ikuwa credit kika 20 nge convert kika a minute nge change ke a minute no kuringa thimo for 20 minutes utakona to go save 16 kana 15 minutes yes
akwina ntubenda na maturene bayuyu betu bamambi betu nafate kumenya ku dial iyo kutwirira *444# *55 hizo watafanya
wewe inya star inya ash ndio wa ile option ira ukwenda kura minutes chaku tu ukari chiringi 20 yako ne menile chiringi 20 the option tu au weteke 2 daily uone chiringi 20 chaku che kwa minute yana na ti lazima ure cha daily maybe no wonte tiringa thimo sana no ure nya minutes cha hours like for 20 shillings no winya kai kanjo kiichi ya ndaika 45 dinge ndaika 45 you chedira 20 kwa tu virani wao neti lazima ure daily no ure nya cha hourly
amini tito kura tuiringira antu ba networks chonde maybe
all networks otoko iro ati Safaricom aki uiringa network chonde oringere bareds na blue yani bonde bukaraniria
yes thank you tukirekeria kabisa kwina highlights irabwethire ira abonete kiri mambura ya Shangwe at 25 akira ki stand it out ki celebrations
kinto get stand it out we have seen that Safaricom imekubalika by the way we appreciate our customers so much because we called them and they came so yes we appreciate you back. There's that appreciation at least ibako ya batura yes in one way or the other yani life yako yo change kana Safaricom has made it easier
okay anibwega sana andendo kwa kanyombe kuthiro kiariria muthegeri wa Meru TV turikanie tukienda kura bundles ira chia raisi na tukaura atukenda ku change credit kitwika minutes ni atatu change akienda tutikari tukiwa Safaricom uri ura bundles
igeta
credit bakanyure
aya anditane customers customer oreo wetu for example wena credit thimone ukaruira tu bundles ukona credit kiwita ukariara nata Safaricom ikuria credit kiakwa na ntaura bundles like na nta mearutha kwe kintu twita data manager
yes
tu ni uraomba ku ensure that credit yaku kiurire kana utuomba ku browse utena bundles so uga set data manager una star 544# uwaita balance uwaita web balance and okay ke menu kwere mpa more no wete more alafu wende balance and tips which is option 6 what balance and tips where next number 2 my data manager ita number 2 ke my data manager then umere activate activate data manager it means that credit yaku kitomba utumeka ku browse kitha uturita bundles kitha urira bundles chathira utumba credit kitomba utumirika no to ko 3 mauka 3 mankuthiria bundles ni kwa credit ni kikuthira in the process of browsing na ndoga set data manager star 544# ubeta more alafu number 12 balance and tips alafu kaya data manager number 2 winya activate sawa activate option 1 hiyo kumaanisha credit yako getomba utumirika ku browse not unless ore data sawa aya number 2 bauri ringina ataomba kuringa thimote kurirwa credit kikingi ndabura tuna kintu kita watunukiwa tunukiwa hii kura minute like you buy minutes yani tu waichura 2 minutes cha kwaria na ndio kaura na star 444#. Uwe wichalira o dial star 544# mbira ore wa ufaziriko star 444#.
star 44#.
Ya number 1 barimpa for 20 shillings bompa 120 minutes. Ibwere ti lazima ure daily na ure nyawali. Ndio unipa impa 125 minutes for 3 hours otu business.
Chukua tafuta order. Ibembera achiringi 20 barimpa 120 minutes for 3 hours.
Aya wena credit kiagana no kwa 500 airtime until midnight. Upige. Na besides daily tuna weekly no ure ya hiyo kono kwa 250 minutes 250 shillings no kwa minutes 300 you check you make him bado tunenyachia monthly for wena ngirino kwa 1225 minutes na bado tuina all in one package ya ngiri unkiwa all in one de maanisha no kwa minutes cha kuringa thimo no kwa SMS na no kwa data bundles for 1000 hiyo ya 8 GB ya data no kwa 400 minutes na no kwa 1000 SMSs.
Wow.
Is that not affordable per month? Yes.
Okay. Nebeka sana betkeria tobe kwethera tukulukire SMS tachu beti kwethera chikiandikwa ni athikire baraba tuthiatirite kwena nutunumurigi arwa Meru TV. Thanks for always keeping us updated. We love you. Ndavi Creatives akaua good morning Meru TV. Mimi niko na issue, nilinunua sim card ya job na ikawa inatekwa na fraudsters. I've been visiting Meru main Safaricom house for more than 2 times. The third time I was told to visit the Safaricom fraudsters headquarters in Nairobi if I really wanted my SIM card back. The whole process is cumbersome and time consuming. Ask the lady why is that Safaricom Meru main shop can't help on this issue, yet I am the rightful owner of the card. I really don't want to lose the number. It's very specific to be trusted by customers.
First of all, we apologize for that. Na mwire pole sana for what she's chenye anapitia, what she's going through. One thing kama sijaliwa kuswali yake vizuri, like targeted na fraudsters in what way?
Ariuga atiriri aurela ini ewe yangu na yomba kwithira ikawa inatekwa yethira iki I guess aringa maybe kwethira kwina mtungini one way or the other out made the same line. Na nende ariwa kuliungira main Safaricom shop ya Meru maita ya ileke ya thatu aberere baite county ya Nairobi kile ofisi chia fraudsters. I don't know
yeah, sure. Nuchi Safaricom it's an organization, so lazima like ikue na every branch like ama in every aspect kedhi manto na fraud lazima kukue kuna department mainly ina deal na fraud. Utumba one thing nyoeta kiborithi uka report something utumba borithi batumba take action without doing investigation like bamenya the cause of this ndivyo atumira bobo happen. How did it happen? So kedha na atumirwe to the headquarters yani kaba follow it the protocol. Onto ya as a customer care around yes ukwe customer ngikwa madhina yaku kana wiririre boku na sasa yaoni fraud ntomba sort fraud. So lazima nipeleke to the specific people, yani people who are there for that the department. Na since that is a sensitive matter kana sensitive topic about fraud no mpekanya maybe ditane customers beto about fraud kana about manto ya waamba burabu injita sana ukona anto okay Safaricom ya dhaiturari na promotion kana shows itwayana a lot of merchandise that's including t-shirts talk about t-shirts nkobia so uwana belo wekera t-shirt ya Safaricom wekera nkobia Safaricom o eta saiba ukaitira kabande yaku kangoi ka Safaricom no kaandika rieto yaku no ka ya ground ndo ketokero ngwa kianto beba Safaricom. One thing babubu tutegete ruare I will urge you ukue careful like be extra vigilant. Better ichiaku protect your money. Anytime uko ringirwa thimu ukaringirwa thimu wathimu kuno mwetu nuko ringirwa thimu but no kwa instructions inya juu hiyo pesa si yako tena. The moment kuringira nkwera na bell na kupigia kutoka Safaricom customer care na nimeona line yako mnatumia watu wawili. Nataka sasa usipoifanyia hivi itafungwa. So finya. Owe sasa juu unaogopa ifungwe uone utire kuinya bio kuirwa. Unajipata in that process you have lost your money.
Wow.
Uko we Safaricom. How? So if someone calls you to claim no akuma Safaricom, kento to keep top of your mind, Safaricom iringa thimo na 07 22 000 000 07 tuijele 0 we from Safaricom. We get that. Anytime ukoringirwa thimu mteja sijui fanya please hang up the phone. The Safaricom tilazima wewe kenda ona the assistant like you want tilazima wewe ya Safaricom customer care main shop. To in a franchise shop kana branches. Irachi umbeto kururwa everywhere akuena over at least kenda withra wena an easy time kwa services cha Safaricom. For example in my area ndinanduka Githongo. So meaning antuba within that area Kithirone Katheri they have somewhere to go tilazima bari fair by Meru town. To inanduka Kariene. Meaning antuba within Ikwetau and surroundings paina somewhere to go kwa ile manto ya inachira bokulukira. To inacho charia to inacho nkabone kuchuchie makutano. So yeah, anytime uko receive a suspicious call ama an SMS kama kabisa wina doubt, trust your instinct. Ete nyaki Safaricom au baudie 1212 kana ituringa thimu na 100 kana 200 consult. Don't hack kento teshua. Sawa?
Thank you.
Mbongele ubado indi tactics cha to the normal customers and to buy M-Pesa kana M-Pesa agents. This is for you. Anytime ukuringerwa thimu na line yeku ya mkono ukiaya wa instructions chia iroba tikubithe ki line yeku ya agent jua hiyo pesa inaenda kuenda. Safaricom itumbo kuringira thimu na your personal phone iko instructions about what you're supposed to do ki line yeku ya agent. Kithia baina any issue na line yeku ya agent by kuringira ki line ya agent bado na 07 22 000 bakueleze. Sawa? Kwe tactica kora batu mera sana kire M-Pesa agent tijebo bomba ku note kana baka spot ka M-Pesa agent karaka elo mtu akayathimo na belo ndi ndukeno ndetera thimo ke wari ya customer care na wawa elino kona 0722000 utekuelewa what's happening etingotuma mbecha wrong number ngwatienda tumaki customer kieni M-Pesa agent angwate ku reverse oka yukia okaero inya when winyire nutumira mbecha no ka blame
no Safaricom tuko igopo
no kama atekira blame we Safaricom ubuya. So as a business person toibuira usimpe mtu simjua simu yako ukamto tiche thimu yako nya language avoid kwa yana thimu. For example customer ya au restock akore unfortunately thimu yako ikora mpeku ndinge ewe kwewekera line yes mpa ekumbekire line yako ndinge bata kurombe kwa kuretia tera ndinge thimu betie mbecha utumiro mbecha. So in the meantime karinga thimu ni mteja sinaweza mtext ukiwa kwa text na itiretwe for example ya mtoro tuwe wewe tukene muzena kuringa era sana like no kuona tundi mia pia mara mingi na ringite okay babe dietore karimin babe but namba ngachenchia.
Okay.
Ndi nyanse yani aoni awa Annabel ukethime kwa dietore remain babe lakini namba babe achenchia wikireku babe au text za yako ire babe niko kwa fix nikwenda 10000 bikiraki namba hii
umwekere ore
wakira babe ke namba eu
aya
tukireka babe awe kariara keke unda text za yana yes. So be very vigilant. Ukorolitera mtu line yeku aikira thimu nekio. Tuina kintu tuta M-Pesa business. M-Pesa business uni apera eritiku enable wana biashara ku track like spending chio kana mbetiri utonya thimu ne chio. So M-Pesa business tu nika app yenye authorize with your fingerprint with your pin. Ende nkwea unditera line yeku ngwikire M-Pesa business ngakwera wata wikire pin owo te wichore no etera wikira pin onto wikira pin weke thimo mtu
mbecha igeta
owo amp access ke kire account eku.
Thank you. Nibwega sana aikuona mwerekeria mbere ndeka cheti chikuthira kabisa. Lilian Mwangangi aliwa mimi mbona siku ongeza fuliza limit kwina tennis mutumari wa live from Samburu na kwina tukathomba barabadi atritende kwina mwakuria atri is it true mawira mugongo is a 1 million winner from Safaricom at 25 twete nkobore kwa wand.
That is to be confirmed tomorrow. Kobo poyero tu ichionere
Kaumboy news rojo nkobo tunanguka hapo akienda kuona amawira mugongo akinengiro milioni ewe Florence Njeri wa Safaricom then option ukwari matia fraudsters not kuwa ask the lady what is Safaricom doing to eliminate fraudsters because they have become too much outside here ugutwira Safaricom at 25 iko best. Safaricom wanafanya kazi vizuri alafu ongeze fuliza limit. Nibaka sana gutagirirwa Meru TV betikire tugire gatantau na loina akatha winchokerete endene andakaite kura yakiri mubango ayo ndugitu kyarire mantu jeki kithomo kya CBC na kya CBE etana mbere na ututhiatira.